Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Outlook and switching to People or Contacts. Once there, click Home, then Address Book, or press Ctrl+Shift+B to open it directly. You do this to see all available lists. Make sure the correct address list is selected in the drop-down at the top. If you plan to import or sync later, note which list is active now. This first step gets you into the right interface so you can add, edit, or search contacts efficiently. Now you add and organize contacts. Click New Contact for individuals or New Contact Group for distribution list. You fill fields like name, email, phone, and notes. Make sure to save each contact before moving on. Once done, use categories and folders to group related entries and create distribution lists for frequent recipient groups. Also, import CSV or vCard files if you have many contacts. This speeds up bulk updates and keeps your address book consistent across devices. To finish, search and sync. Type names into the address book search box and apply filters to narrow results. Make sure your account sync settings are correct under Account Settings and that the right data file or server is selected so contacts replicate across devices. If contacts are missing, verify the default address book and review any active filters. Once corrected, force a manual sync or restart Outlook. If problems persist, export, then re-import a CSV as a targeted fix to restore entries.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.